Hello everybody and welcome back to Daisy Toy House. Today we're going to be looking at this So Cool sewing kit. We've got this little package here and we've opened it up and it's the So Cool sewing kit. It comes complete with a whole bunch of different things, including some stuffing, some projects that you can make like a heart pouch, and different types of other heart pouches, and a whole bunch of material that's patterned as well. So I really like this. This looks, you could make something really fun with this. And we've got some instructions here as well. So let's take a look at the sewing machine. Okay, so we switched it on and you can see the lights on there. There's our stop and our start button. And there's an emergency stop button right here on the side where you can just stop it. So let's start it and let's see before we do anything. There it goes. Do the emergency stop. There we go. There's a little switch on the back there that you have to turn on first, and then you can use it. And then we're going to take a look at some of the cool things you can do with this. And I almost forgot to mention, it comes with this little pouch here with some other little things inside. Let's take a look and open it up. Take a look here. What do we have inside? Some buttons. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, so they're like fasteners, I guess, right? And then we've got some other things in here as well. Oh, look at that. Some nice little bows. Different kinds. There's a couple of hearts. Very neat. Put that there. And we also have some other patterns here too. Look at that says So Cool. There's another one there. Oh, and look at this one. How colorful is that? You can do lots of different things with this material. And I think there was oh yeah, you're right. There's a flower, a couple of different flowers here too. So lots of different things you can use in this So Cool kit. Put that back in there and then tighten that back up. There we go. Awesome.
Okay, so today we're gonna make a heart pillow. Okay, so today we're gonna make a heart pillow, and it's this kind of material.
Perfect.
So, like, it has a little line that has blue, white. So I like how this little pattern, and it's a zigzag one. So it's almost kind of like a long lightning bolt if you like change this.
True,
like
it is. It's like a zigzag lightning bolt. So we're going to do this pattern with this material. Okay, so we'll need to have a grown-up cut this. So I'll just cut this shape out, and we need two sides. So we're going to use both of the same pattern. Okay, so now we've cut out our stencils. We have our front and our back, and we've cut out heart shapes with the material that we wanted to use. So there's our front and there's our back. We'll just put our stencils away now, and we'll open up our stuffing so that we can have it ready once we've started sewing. So we'll just open up this bag. And whoa, look at that. That's a lot. I don't know if we'll need all of that, but look at that. Okay, so we'll just put this on the side for now and we'll start sewing this up. We've got everything ready here. It's all lined up. Now we're going to start sewing, so go ahead. Let's see it in action. Very cool. What do we have here? Okay, a little more. So we're just going to sew a little bit so that we can put the stuffing inside. Right. How's it look? Do you have enough sewn together? Oh, okay, we need to do a little more. All right, let's keep going. Yeah. Gotta really make sure you line it up. This is a really cool toy. So we've we've sewn some of it, but not all of it. So we've got the bottom part sewn, and we're going to use a little bit of this stuffing in here and just kind of put it underneath there. And then we're going to sew the rest of it up after we've tucked this in, and then we're going to make our heart pillow. So let's go ahead and do that. Now we've sewn all the edges and we've got our heart pillow. Pretty puffy. We've got the lining in there. This thing is a really cool toy. You can switch it off now. Do you want to go ahead and switch it off?
Okay.
Turn that off. There we go. So the So Cool Sewing Maker is a very cool little sewing toy. You can do lots of cool things with it, like designing, stitching, decorating, and create all sorts of fashions, including pillows like this one, with all the fun stuff that it gives you in there. So if we wanted to, we could have sewn some of these decorations on our heart. Some instructions are here for your benefit, so you can see everything that we've done with this sewing machine. We've used the light, obviously. We've got the needle guard there, seam alignment, stop and start button right here, and then our emergency stop. So it's a great little toy, and you can pack it all away in your box here when you're done. And if there's anything else you want to see us play with or review, drop us a note in our comments. Please don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. So thanks again, guys, and
Bye, and like and subscribe.
like and subscribe. See you next time.